Good morning to all. Today I am here to share my reviews on the book I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. It's an autobiography written by Maya Angelou. It's a poignant and powerful portrait of her life. The book takes readers on a journey through her childhood, exposing the harsh realities of racism, trauma, and personal struggle. It is a timeless classic because its themes and messages relevant every day. When Maya died in 2014 at the age of 86, she was one of the towering figures of American culture and politics, poet, author, civil rights activist, and speaker to the figures of national and international importance. Her start was decidedly a difficult one. In late 1960s, she persuaded to begin writing autobiographies and she went on to publish it in 7 volumes. The latest one was appearing in 2013. This is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing. It's the first volume and it's covering the childhood and coming age of her life. It features a parental abandonment, overt racism, sexual abuse, and poverty. It's a sobering tale and testament to her immense ability that someone have this kind of background could become such a great and important figure of well known not just in United States but also throughout the world. When Maya's early years in Stamps, Arkansas, is depicted with a vivid in detail and showing how systematic racism profoundly shapes her world. By living with her grandmother Moma, she witnessed both resilience and limitations imposed by the racial segregation. Her grandmother's firm moral grounding and community role provide a stabilizing force between societal challenges and also unconsidered the constraints faced by the African Americans in that era. The exploration of Maya sexual abuse by her mother's boyfriend, Mr. Freeman, is both stark and sensitive. The abuse and subsequent murder of Mr. Freeman is lead to a deep psychological impact on Maya, causing her to retreat into silence almost 5 years. The period of silence is a powerful metaphor for her psychological and emotional isolation. Here we can see the profound effect of trauma on a young person's self. By moving to San Francisco with her mother, Maya faces new environments and challenges. Her struggle of her past, struggle to reconcile the past with the present circumstance is lead to fostering her journey towards development and self-empowerment. By engaging with the literature and poetry, also a crucial part of her development. We can see how literate offers her a means of expression and escape, helping her to process and articulate her experience. By engaging with the literature is a crucial part of her eventual empowerment and its ability to overcome the adversities she faces. And next, the influence of female figures in Maya's life, especially her grandmother Moma and other women she meets. They provide guidance, support, and examples of strength. And also she navigate the challenges faced by that society, faced in that society. By illustrating Maya's ability to rise above her struggles and assert her identity. Her personal growth is portrayed as a victory over the adversity she faces, reflecting the broader themes of resilience and empowerment. The Maya's narrative is a testament to her strength and ability to find voice despite significant obstacles. Beyond Maya's personal story, the memoir addresses larger issues of racial and social injustice. By detailing her experience with the context of systematic racism and societal challenges, Maya provides a broader social commentary on the struggles faced by African Americans, making her memoir a significant contribution to discussion. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is celebrated for its powerful storytelling and emotional depth and uh, ability to intertwine personal narrative with a broader social commentary. Maya's lyrical prose and honest reflections make them a mere profound exploration of formative years and a significant work in understanding both individual and collective experience. This is one of the must-read book. I recommend this for all. Thank you.